YouTube, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. In today's video, as you can tell, we talking about Ember. This is the best time to be accumulating Satoshis right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me tell you right now. This is what I'm talking about. All you have to do, and this is the instructions. Once you start it up, they tell you the instructions, so you definitely want to screenshot once you start. Tap to start earning Bitcoin. Your miner will stop after 24 hours, after which you will no longer be earning Bitcoin. To continue earning, revisit the app and turn it back on. Boost your rate by investing in a portfolio or referring a friend to Ember using your referral link. For each friend you refer, your rate will increase by 2.5 Satoshis an hour, while you both are earning simultaneously. Please note you aren't mining Bitcoin on this device with your device computing power. Instead, Ember's Bitcoin mining rewards program is a fun way to earn Satoshis when you open the app every day. Also note, users aren't allowed to refer themselves, one account per person. But if you have multiple links, multiple devices, of course you can do that. Of course you can have multiple devices, because I also have another device on my, you just can't use it on the same device on the same phone. But as you can see right now, we are currently at 20,000 Satoshis right now. And I would like to say congratulations to everybody who's been earning Bitcoin through this journey with me, because I know I made it to 10,000 on my own, but y'all definitely has helped me push up to 16,000, and I thank y'all for that. Right now we're on season 3 on the earning season. I'm on 6 times for the boost. You earn Satoshis from learning daily, setting up your recovery password, and investing in the portfolio. And the cool things about that, they have these NFT index that you can invest in, like an Ember DeFi index and a metaverse index. And the next one that I will be investing in is the top NFT index. But I think there's another one. Well, I don't know if they dropped it yet. Let me see. No, they haven't dropped it. I think that's one of the ones I do want to invest in. Let's see how people been doing in this. I guess they've been doing okay. But I know overall, this is mainly the number one that I'm looking at, because as you can tell, it's at a pretty much low, and it got a lot of good crypto coins on here they can be used in the future. That's all I can say. And the metaverse that's gonna be used in the future, and is at an all-time low. So mainly it's probably gonna be, I'm gonna be investing in this one a lot, the metaverse index. So as you can tell, they both are close in price, but I do know I invested more money in Ember DeFi index. Why am I talking so fast? Slow down. But yeah, if you're interested, make sure you use my link down below, and also make sure you put in the access code that is in the description as well, right underneath the link. Make sure you use the access code so we can both earn 2.5 Satoshis. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm just giving y'all an update of what Bitcoin is. Like I said, I do want to go live and just probably stream me earning free Bitcoins and post a link of how to set it up when I first set it up. And so that way I can get more users, and so that everybody can start earning Bitcoin for free. And all you got to do is revisit the app every 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. Make sure y'all go check out any other video that I just dropped. The 3 videos that's going to be surrounding today is BlockFi, Ember, and prize pool. So if you're into investing money, saving money, and you want to be financially mature, that's what I'm gonna be dropping content on a lot. I also have some fun activity videos. Out of Our podcast is up now, so if you want to check that out, that's when me and my mama just talk about where we see things in life, and we just have that open line of communication and you'll be able to see that that mother and son relationship on the screen. So y'all go check that out. I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Way out. Peace.